Hey guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to get CarBridge. So this is a really cool app. Lets you watch YouTube in your car, and a number of other apps are going to work as well. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So let me just open it up, and as you can see when I go to USB, here's all the apps, and I just need to press apply to device, and it says applied whitelist. So I'm going to show you guys how to download CarBridge. So it's super cool. So if you guys want to have it, keep watching the video. So first thing we're going to do is go to this site. So what I want you to do now is go to the search bar, type in CarBridge, press on it, press download. So before this downloads, there's going to be a verification. So this is the last step. So we just got to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. You know, it's 100% free from official app store. And then we're going to get CarBridge. So if you're broke and you can't afford like the new CarPlay systems, just get CarBridge. So as you can see, it says additional files are required. So we just have to download 2 of these apps. So we got like Travel Town, which says reach level 9. So it's like a game. So I just play this till I'm level 9. Obviously they're not all games. Most of them aren't. But you know, that's what it is today. So then we go back to the list, see what else we got. So we got Mo Casino, Rate. So there's all these different apps. So just make sure you do a couple of them. And then you're going to get CarBridge on your device. And there's so many settings in here, guys. It's crazy. So as you can see, we got the Wi-Fi and all this stuff, so it's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how to download CarBridge for your phone. So if you guys want to have it, definitely try us out. Just make sure you do 2 of the apps. You're going to be all good to go. So yeah, if you're broke, guys, definitely tell me, because I am someone that is just in the market trying to help people. So if you can't afford a car or whatever, you can just use CarBridge and you can watch anything in your car. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Peace out.